Welcome back to Goldfries. This is the Royal Kludge RK855 68 keys mechanical keyboard that has RGB LED backlights and dual connectivity modes, which is through the cable and through Bluetooth wireless. Alright, let's have a closer look at the RK855. Starting off, let's have a look at the RGB LED. All I can tell you is that it's beautiful. The flow is just what you expect on an RGB LED keyboard to be. It has 5 levels of brightness, 1 being totally off and 5 being the brightest. Here are the modes. Enjoy the music while I go through it. The white keycaps and white backplating does make it glow really well. In terms of build quality, it's good. It's not the most solid, but it is good. Little to no flex on the keyboard. The case has a high-profile design that hides the keys, which is way neater than floating designs. The bottom housing has a glossy and matte finish, and it has an angled design without adjustable stands. At the bottom, there are 4 rubber feet that holds well. The RK855 uses USB Type-C for connection and charging. There is a red LED under the spacebar that lights up when charging and turns off when full. Connectivity-wise, it's easy. Just pair it with your Bluetooth device and it'll work. In fact, you have 5 profiles for you to pair up to 5 devices. I do not sense any latency issue when typing and having it paired with my mobile devices. Battery life is beyond me to measure, but they don't drain fast, so it'll be a while before you ever need to charge. The RK855 does not come with software for configuration. The keyboard uses Royal Kludge own switch and it has a surface mounted LED. The keycaps are double shot ABS and about 1mm thick. It feels great, and being double shot means the legend won't fade. You will still experience smoothing of the surface. I think the most important thing to note is how the keycaps are made, with the legend being clear and visible from all angles. As for the typing experience, the keys are great to press, and I feel that it does require slightly more force than the usual red switches that I'm used to. The keys are solid in general and with very little wobble, and the only weak point is the spacebar that rattles slightly. I've also used the keyboard for gaming and had absolutely no issues with it. Before I forget, I'd like to mention that the package comes with a keyboard, the keycap puller, and a very long USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable. If you're interested in this keyboard, head over to Banggood where you can buy it for $49.99 by using this coupon. Banggood offers 8 to 15 days doorstep shipping, COD available at official Banggood stores, and there's no need to worry about customs. Alright, that's it for my review of the Royal Kludge RK855 68 keys mechanical keyboard. I totally love it and I'm giving it a gold badge. That's all for now. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.